Hi, I'm Trey.
And I'm Monica.
And this is another one of our adventures in California history. In this episode, Monica and I have completed the ascent of the Devil's Ladder, which started at Red Lake and is an absolutely brutal climb. It was called the Devil's Ladder because of its steepness. You got out of your wagon, carried your goods to the top, while teamsters would hook the oxen to chain and drag them up the mountain. There are still chain marks on some of the old trees.
All right, a little bit further along, and oh, looky here, we have a T marker. And what do we say? Carson Trail. This is the ascent to Carson Pass. It says, after dinner, we crossed the first mountain. The ascent is a half a mile and much like going up the side of a house in steepness, with huge stones in the road, beside the road and all around the road. Henry Sheldon Annable, September 10th, 1852. Okay, from the Carson Trail ascent to Carson Pass T marker, the trail goes this way, through here, and you come around the corner, and I'm just awestruck because Monica spotted them first. If you see up on the rocks there, we have got 19th century graffiti. And this, from what I am told, this graffiti is a 5 on graffiti scales on old graffiti. And 1, you can hardly see it or make it out. A 5 is very clear, and these are incredible. It looks like there is a plaque up above. We'll go visit that. And as you walk up the trail here, we're greeted by more graffiti. Oh my goodness sakes. C.C. Hammer, E.C. Farre, California, H. Hoskin, August 24th, 1849. I'm going to zoom in on that one. This is where you waited for your equipment and wagon, or your wagons to come up. You brought your equipment. You would wait here for them. There's even graffiti here. And look at that, the golden chain. Isn't that what that is? The golden chain symbol. Oh, very cool. I had no idea this kind of stuff existed up here. Oh, look here. James Fitzgerald. Oh God, look at the dates. 49, August 24th. All right, we're gonna climb up there and see what that plaque says.
The plaque describes the date, August 24th, 1849, when a group of odd fellows sat on these rocks, waiting for their wagons to come up the Devil's Ladder, and took the time out to inscribe their names and dates. For an interactive map of our adventure locations as well as driving directions, check out pitsenberger.com map.